Welcome back again. Mrs. House is still in her house. So if you listened to yesterday's video and I gave you a challenge to listen for something that happened for one child in the end of the video, you maybe heard him yell, "Ow!" at the end. That's what you're listening for. So maybe tomorrow you'll have something else to listen for. So not today, everyone's in bed. So, okay. What we're going to do for today is start your water unit. We're still doing the water unit. Yesterday, we had an Ed puzzle. I think there was some discrepancy on how to get logged into that again. So I did make a link that you can click on your period and then just do like you did last time. I am still working on how to get that assigned right into Schoology. But until then, I emailed all the people that it worked for, and that's how they said it worked. So we're going with just that one way of logging in, clicking under here on the Ed puzzle. I'll just show you. So here's the direction sheet. Oh wait, if you go to the properties of water video, I made where it just is goes right to your class period. So if you can click on this, if it does just want the code, here is the code for you. Depending on your hour, you can just highlight it and then you go Command C for copy, and then when you get to the page that you need, you can just go Command V and paste that right into the spot. Okay, and then you'll see a new video. Here you go. We'll just try this. Okay, so you log in and it says visiting this link, copy link. Okay, Ed puzzle. Your student, oh, it thinks I'm the teacher still. So anyway, if you go up to type in, here you go. You type in edpuzzle.com. And of course it thinks I'm the teacher again. But maybe if you go to edpuzzle.com, yours will go to login up here on the right hand side. There's a little login button and you can just log in and then paste that code so it takes you right to where you need to be. Okay, so today this is the website. Today's assignment is going to be also Friday's assignment as well. So here's a reminder to do the Ed puzzle from yesterday. Today we're going to have some articles about water quality to read. You know, this may be an issue wherever you live, maybe not, but it could be wherever you live. Different things will arise, obviously things we don't plan for, so just to be aware, this might be. Okay, so I have some articles. If you click on the first one is a Flint, Michigan article. If you remember back a while when they couldn't drink their water, how come? Okay, how come they couldn't read it or drink the water? Okay, a little hint I put on here is it says to have the articles read to you. Okay, in case you want to listen to it. Plop in your headphones. I don't know, just let it read while you're following along. Okay, if you highlight the words and then go Option and Escape at the same
Flint,
time.
Michigan. Ariana Hawk heated a bowl of distilled water in the microwave, dipped a washcloth in it and wiped her 2-year-old son's itchy, irritated skin.
Option Escape and it stops the reading. Okay, so you can have these two articles read to you if you'd like, and then for Friday, here's a Google form worksheet that I'm going to have you fill out. So once you get the article, here. So the first one is on the first article and then questions, and then you go to next, and then you'll see the second article. What you can do is have the article open. If you want to pull the article into a separate one so that you can have that open while you're doing your quiz, you can find the answers in the article to make sure you get them correct. Some of them you'll have to just look for because some of them you won't be able to remember what something stands for and stuff. So that's what we're working on Thursday and then on Friday. So you have the Ed puzzle and then you have these articles with the Google form. Okay, Let me know if you have questions. I like to Google Meet too, so let me know. House class is the code. Bye.